In this video, I'm just going to show how to physically make solutions in two different ways, and I'll actually be making three solutions. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a weigh boat on my scale, zero it out, and I'm going to measure out 0.5 grams of my solute. Today it's Kool-Aid powder. That's why I'm not wearing safety glasses. Okay, got 0.5 grams, and then I'm going to add a little bit of water to my volumetric flask so that it can start dissolving right away. Okay, added my solute to my solvent, and I'm going to add some water to kind of get the little bit that's stuck on the top here down. I want to fill this up to the line on my volumetric flask because the line, this is a 100 milliliter volumetric flask, so it's exactly 100 milliliters. Okay, once my solute is pretty much dissolved, I'm going to go ahead and fill till I get a little bit closer to that line. Then once I get close, I'm going to stop and I'm going to slow down because I'm going to add my last drops with a pipette till the bottom of the meniscus is at that line. So that's how you can make a solution from scratch. Add the solute directly to the solvent, which is water. Okay, we've got one solution. Let's set that aside. Another way is to start with a stock solution. Okay, and by the way, this is sort of like cooking or baking. So you can bake cookies from scratch, okay, which would be what we just did, or you can bake cookies with a mix that's already pretty much ready to go where you just add some water. So that's sort of an analogy to this. So one of the solutions I'm going to make requires 50 milliliters of stock solution. I'm going to get close to my 50, and then I'm going to fill till the bottom of the meniscus is at the 50, and then I'm going to really carefully pour into my volumetric flask. Get all 50 mils, and then I'm going to fill to the line with water. So once again, I'm going to get down, I'm going to get close to the line by pouring. And then when I'm close, I don't want to go over that line because then I have to start over. So I'm going to use a pipette until the bottom of my meniscus is at that 100 line. There we go. Okay. And then I need a little bit more water. My last solution requires 10 milliliters of stock solution. Sometimes you just get it right on. Okay, and I'm going to carefully add this to my volumetric flask. And then I'm going to fill to the line with water. So I'm going to get close, and then I'm going to use my pipette to do the last part because I do not want to go over that line. There we go. So these were my last two solutions, so you can see the difference in concentration. That one where I only added 10 milliliters of stock solution and the rest water is a lot lighter in color. There we go. And this one is more concentrated. But three solutions made in two different ways. So yay, that's how you make solutions.